Managing multiple marketplaces can be quite difficult. And that's why we've built in a multi-platform management system inside of TSeller so you can get all of your platforms information straight into one central point. I'm going to show you guys today how to use the platform management tool inside of TSeller and just break down what it is and how to use it to the best of your ability. So first of all, on TSeller web, you guys will see that we have platform management on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click on that, and then we are going to load all our platforms. So this is now going to load all the connected platforms to your current TSeller account. On my account right now, I have Takealot, Amazon, Makro, and WooCommerce connected. If you don't have any connections, make sure to go look at our previous videos to get your integration set up. So now that the page is loaded, you will see a bunch of information. Now, don't stress. I'll explain to you how it works. So this is now showing a listing and then all of the four marketplaces next to each other. You can toggle some off, you can toggle some on. So depending what you have on, that will be shown. So on the left, you have your actual product, and then you will have the different marketplaces with the info of that listing. So you can see this product is listed on Takealot, Amazon, Makro, and WooCommerce. How does the system know all of this? So it works on two different algorithms. First of all, it will check your SKU. If the SKUs are matching across the platforms, it will allocate those products to each other, and that will then be used to populate the info on these marketplaces. If your SKUs do not match across all the platforms, it will take your titles and it will look at the product title. If the product title matches with more than 75%, it will assume that that is the same listings and it will populate it using the title. So let's go over the different filters and different statuses there are, and then I'll show you guys what you can actually do with this. So first you can see all your offers. Then we have a status bar. We have any, we have not synced, and we have synced. If it says any, it means anything is matching. Then we have not synced. Not synced will only show us products that something is not the same as the other platform. So you can see for all of these ones that show not synced, something is different. So you can see this one is the same, this one's different, this one's different, this one's different. So none of these are exactly the same. That means it's not synced. Then we have the channel. So how the channel works is right now it is set to any. If you are looking at one marketplace, this will only show you offers that is listed on one of the marketplaces. It doesn't matter which marketplace. You can see some of them are on Takealot, some of them are Amazon, some of them are on the website. This literally shows you, okay, these products are only on one marketplace. If I toggle the second marketplace, that means 94 out of my 285 products is on two different marketplaces. So there's still a couple that are missing. And if I go to like the fourth marketplace, it will show you that only 28 of my products are on all four of the platforms. So I'm going to put it back on any, and then I'm going to go to the next filter, which is price. So price, we have mismatched and we have matched. So if we go to mismatch, you will see none of the prices are matching each other. If we have matched, we will only see offers which has the exact same price across every single marketplace there is. So you can see all of the prices are the same on each different marketplace. Then we have stock. Stock will mismatch when the stock is not the same for each unit, obviously the same as the price. Then we have matched, which will indicate to you the units is exactly the same on each marketplace. So you can see for this one, I have 3 units and I have 3 units. That means it's matched by the units. Then we also have these warning signs right here, and that will show you what the difference is between the marketplaces. If it shows stock, that means that the stock is not the same on all four marketplaces. If it shows visibility, that means on some of the marketplaces, the product is not visible. As you can see, this one on Amazon is inactive, so it's not visible. This one shows us price and stock, meaning the price is not the same everywhere, the stock is not the same everywhere, and visibility. So something is also not visible. So this is like your warning signs to show what the differences are between the different marketplaces. You can actually get info on the actual individual offers as well by just clicking on the marketplace. So if I click here, it will open up that offer on Takealot. You can edit the price, you can edit the lead time, you can see your stock. Then if you click on it on Amazon, it will do the same, Makro and WooCommerce. So how can you use this to benefit your account? Well, first of all, it shows you clearly what products are not on all the channels. So you want to have all of your products on every single marketplace there is. So this shows me, if I filter by channel, that only 28 of my products is on all of the marketplaces and they are all there. But I can go through this and I can see, okay, this product I have 20 units, but on Amazon I don't have any, which indicates to me that I'm losing out on sales on Amazon because the units are not right and this product is not active on Amazon. It works exactly the same for all of the other marketplaces. For example, if you have some units on Amazon and you have some units on Takealot, but Takealot is inactive, you're asking yourself, why is Takealot inactive? Let me go and activate it so I don't lose out. It also helps in regards to your pricing. So you can see, okay, I'm $259 on Takealot, I'm $199 on Amazon, I'm $299 on Makro, and I'm $299 on my website. Can I go lower on certain platforms? Why am I lower on certain platforms? And it just gives you a bird's eye overview of what's going on from a management point of view. That could be management of stock, pricing, visibility. It doesn't matter. It gives you an overview. If your products are not listed on a platform, it will have a little arrow like this. So this means this product is on Takealot, Amazon, but it's not on Makro and it is on our website. It is important to also note, if you have a product on Takealot, which is on lead time, the stock will show 0, but it will show active. For example, this one right here. It shows a 0 units, but it is active. That means it is on lead time and there's not stock at the DC. So these units are only stock sitting in the DC. If you don't want to see all the marketplaces at once, you can come to the toggle right here. You can turn some of them off and then it will only show you certain marketplaces. And it'll also, you can just look at one if you really want to. Then you can toggle them back on, simple as that. So this is how you can use the marketplace management tool to just get a quick overview of what's going on. So you can see, okay, I'm still needing to list these products. These items are not priced. This is out of stock. It gives you a quick overview and this will save you so much time and it'll actually help you that you can make more sales by not missing out on opportunities as simple as I don't have units in stock. We will be building a lot more on top of this feature, but for now, we want you guys to test it out. Give us some feedback and let us know how you find it. And hopefully this can help you out. I appreciate you guys watching the video. And as always, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do that as it really does help us out a lot.